All right, the next step is to make sure that the argument is in standard form. One thing that means is that we have exactly 3 terms that appear 2 times each in the exact same way each time. So we have S, we have C, and we have W. We don't have any term complements, so we do not have to reduce the number of terms using conversion, aversion, and contraposition. But for this argument to be considered standard form, it has to not just have 3 terms used 2 times each in the same way, it also has to have the premises in the right order. The major term of the argument, the predicate of the conclusion, should appear somewhere up here in the first premise, and the minor term, the subject of the conclusion, should appear somewhere here in the second premise, and we can see here that it doesn't. So this argument is not in standard form. Now there's 2 ways to make this argument standard form. One would be to convert the conclusion, an I statement, from some W or C to some C or W, and that would make W the major term, and then our premises would be in the right order. The other way we can make this argument in standard form is just by switching the order of the premises. And now we can see here that the major term, the predicate of the conclusion, is right up here in the first premise, and the minor term, the subject of the conclusion, appears here in the second premise, and our argument is in standard form.